Welcome everyone. I just installed this smart garage door opener, and it allows me to drive away from my garage and the garage will automatically close, and it allows me to drive up to the garage and it will automatically open. Now the installation of this is very easy and it only cost me about 30 bucks on Amazon. So this is one of my favorite home automation things that I've purchased. This also connects to my Amazon Alexa, it connects to my Apple Watch, it connects to my smartphone. It's just a really cool thing to install. The install is really simple. It will come in this box. There's two wires on the back, a red and a black wire, and that will plug into your garage door opener. Then there is a large black wire which you run to your garage door. Now that sensor wire will tell the device whether the garage door is open or closed. So if I'm at work and I take a look at my garage door on the app, I can see whether I left it open or closed. And it sends me notifications right here on the Apple Watch, which is really neat. So this is one of the coolest things I bought, especially when I take the motorcycle out. I don't have to reach for a garage door opener. I don't have to reach for my watch or my phone to open the garage. It does it automatically based on my location. So if you go out for a run, you can take your Apple Watch, you can open the garage with your Apple Watch, you can close the garage with your Apple Watch. You can also use your smartphone to open and close the garage. The other thing that you can do is connect this to your Google Home or Amazon Alexa to control it with your voice. So when you walk in the door, after you come home, you can close the garage with your voice. And that's really cool. So this is one of my favorite things that I've bought for this condo that I'm setting up to be a rental. Again, it's only 30 bucks. It plugs in, it takes about 10 minutes to install, and I'll put a link in the description. The app that you use for it is the same as a bunch of other devices I've purchased off Amazon. The app is called Smart Life. If we go into the app right now, we can actually see the status of the garage door. Right now it says the garage door is closed. See that? Closed. And then we could open it or close it right now. But this is great if you're worried about leaving your garage door open when you go to work or whatever. And of course, if you get a notification that your garage door opens up, you can check your home cameras and see if anybody's in your house. So all of this stuff is really cool. This is one of my favorite things that I bought. There's a ton of this stuff that you can buy for your house, but this is one of my favorite things because it's so convenient for the motorcycle. Because this uses my phone's location, any car that I'm driving, that I drive up to the house, it opens for me. I don't have to switch between cars. I don't have to switch devices between cars, and that is incredibly convenient. That is all I have for you. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you enjoy your car.